Artificial intelligence is everywhere in 2026. But honestly, most beginners still have one big problem. They don't know which AI tools are actually worth using. Every week, new AI platforms appear online promising to save time, make money, or completely change the way you work. But the truth is, many of them are unnecessary. So, in this video, we're counting down the 5 best free AI tools for beginners in 2026 that you can start using right now. Starting with number 5, Canva AI, Canva has evolved far beyond graphic design. Today, it includes AI tools that can help you generate images, create presentations, write social media posts, remove backgrounds, and design marketing materials. The best part is that you don't need any design experience. Everything is beginner friendly, which makes Canva one of the easiest AI tools to learn. Now, number 4, NotebookLM, Google's Notebook. LM has become one of the most useful AI tools for learning. Instead of searching the internet, you can upload your own information, including PDFs, research papers, class notes, articles, and documents. Then ask questions about the content and receive answers based on your own files. For students, this can save hours of study time. And for professionals, it's a great way to organize large amounts of information. Now, number 3, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is one of the fastest growing AI tools available today because it combines AI answers with real sources. Instead of giving a response without explanation, Perplexity shows where the information comes from. This makes it especially useful for research, learning, fact-checking, and comparing information. Many users now use Perplexity alongside Google Search because it helps them find answers much faster. Now, number 2, Google Gemini. Gemini continues to improve every year, and in 2026, it's one of the strongest free AI assistants available. You can use Gemini for writing, brainstorming, coding, planning projects, summarizing information, and learning new skills. And because it's connected to Google's ecosystem, it works especially well with Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, and Android devices, which makes it a powerful productivity tool. Now, before we reveal number 1, let's talk about something important. Many people think AI tools are only useful for tech experts, but honestly, that's no longer true. The best AI tools today are designed for normal users. People use them every day for schoolwork, business content creation, and personal projects. You don't need technical knowledge to get started. And now, number 1, ChatGPT, because for most beginners, it's still the easiest and most versatile AI tool available. You can use ChatGPT to write content, learn new topics, generate ideas, improve productivity, create business plans, practice languages, and solve everyday problems. What makes ChatGPT so powerful is its flexibility. You can ask almost anything and get useful responses within seconds, which is why millions of people continue using it every day. Now let's talk about pricing, because many beginners worry they'll need expensive subscriptions. But honestly, the free versions of these tools are more than enough for most people. You can learn the basics, build new skills, and understand how AI works without spending anything. Then later, if you need advanced features, you can decide whether upgrading is worth it. Now let's be honest for a second. The biggest mistake beginners make is spending weeks searching for the perfect AI tool, instead of actually learning how to use one. The truth is, any of these 5 tools can dramatically improve your productivity if you use them consistently. So to wrap this up, the 5 best free AI tools for beginners in 2026 are Canva AI, NotebookLM, Perplexity AI, Google Gemini, and ChatGPT. Because honestly, mastering just these 5 tools will put you far ahead of most people who are only starting their AI journey in 2026.